The 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is a proposed combination of ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle and hypercar performance. Although Bugatti hasn't made an official announcement about it, a number of conjectural designs and partnerships offer ideas for what a Bugatti-branded RV could look like. Exterior and design. The Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is envisioned as a sporty and aerodynamic vehicle that would probably have signature styling, using recognizable Bugatti design cues such as the flowing lines and horseshoe grille. Sturdy construction. For strength and weight reduction, cutting-edge materials like carbon fiber are used. Aerodynamic efficiency. Designed to reduce drag, this improves fuel efficiency and performance. Facilities and interior. The interior would be the height of luxury, possibly providing luxurious living areas, including high-end components like custom textiles, polished wood, and beautiful leather. Modern kitchen, furnished with top-of-the-line appliances and lots of storage. Luxurious bedroom, creating a cozy and peaceful resting space. Advanced technology, including state-of-the-art entertainment systems, climate control, and smart home integration. Capabilities and performance. In keeping with Bugatti's history of performance, the motorhome might have strong engine, possibly a hybrid powertrain that produces remarkable torque and horsepower. Advanced suspension, guaranteeing a comfortable and seamless ride over a range of surfaces. All-wheel drive, increasing stability and traction. Off-road capability, equipped with sophisticated traction control systems and high ground clearance. Cost and availability. Pricing and availability are still unknown because this notion is speculative. Nonetheless, given Bugatti's brand status, an RV of such caliber would probably fetch a high price, possibly surpassing several $1 million. In conclusion, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is the ultimate in performance and elegance for mobile life, even though it is still only a concept. If it were to become a reality, it would revolutionize the RV market by fusing Bugatti's superior engineering with unmatched comfort and design.